Thank you for joining me again in my Binance series. Again, I'm teaching you guys A through Z how to use Binance. Last video, we talked about registering, security, anti-phishing. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up deposits, withdrawals, and understanding your account balance. So here, we're logged in to Binance on the main screen. You want to go over here and click Funds. In Funds, you have balances, deposits, and withdrawals. So first and foremost, let's do some deposits. So go ahead and click that. And you're going to see this screen here. I have no history because, again, this is my fake account here. And what coin do you want to deposit? Most of you are going to want to deposit Bitcoin. So we'll go ahead and find BTC. And here, this is your Bitcoin deposit address. So it's pretty simple to deposit. So you want to be able to copy this code, which I did right here. Although I always like to write it down as a precaution. You definitely do not want to screw this code up. It will send your money somewhere else. So make sure you have the right Bitcoin deposit address. Then take this address and go to wherever you have your Bitcoin. So whether it's anything from Coinbase or wherever it might be, it doesn't matter. So go to that application, that wallet, wherever it is, and then you're going to have to enter that deposit address in that other provider, the other wallet that you have. And then it will actually send your Bitcoin over to Binance. Most of the time, it might take half hour to 45 minutes, but your Bitcoin will reach Binance if you typed in the correct deposit address. So let's assume you got some Bitcoin now on your account and you want to withdraw. So how do you do that? You go over here to withdrawals. Pretty straightforward here again. So you just want to go over here, type in Bitcoin. And here, if you remember, we had that Bitcoin deposit address when we were trying to deposit. Just imagine you wanted to withdraw your Bitcoin back to Coinbase in this case. So what you need to do, you need to get the deposit address from Coinbase and go ahead and click it in or type it in or paste it in. Double check, make sure it's correct because you do not want to send it to outer space, just have it disappear for good. Put in your amount. You can see I am not verified, so I only have 2 Bitcoin allowable that I'm allowed to transact, withdraw in a 24-hour period. So you definitely want to get verified if you have a higher account balance. And then once you've done that, you go ahead, click submit. And the beauty here is I like the security of Binance. They're going to send you a confirmation email. So if you remember when we registered, we had to confirm our email. You do the exact same thing. You're going to have 2-factor authentication, the whole gamut. So it'll be pretty secure. So go ahead and do that if you withdraw. So what about understanding your balances? Again, go to Funds Balances and you'll be able to see what you have. Well, guess what? I don't have anything, but we can definitely analyze this screen here. So when you look at this, it's going to have every coin on the Binance platform. You're going to be able to click deposit, withdrawal, trade here. So in reality, you don't even have to go to the deposit withdrawal page on the funds tab. You can just do it right here if you're so inclined. And what you're going to be able to see here is your total balance, available balance in order. Your total balance is how much you own in terms of the number of coins. Available is going to be how much is not currently in an open order. And then in order is going to be how much you actually have in an order. And your BTC value is how much those coins are worth in terms of Bitcoin. So hopefully you guys now understand how to deposit, withdraw on Binance. I definitely appreciate you watching this video. And please join me on my next one. We're going to talk about fees on Binance.